In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images to a circle shape in Microsoft Word. This is a simple but powerful way to make your documents look more professional, create profile pictures, or design eye-catching visuals for reports, presentations, or flyers. To start, open your Microsoft Word document and insert the image you want to crop. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen, then click on Pictures. Choose this device if your image is saved on your computer, browse for it, and click Insert. The image will appear in your document. Once your image is inserted, click on it to select it. When the image is selected, the Picture Format tab will appear in the ribbon. This tab contains all the tools you need to edit and format your image. Now, in the Picture Format tab, look for the Crop drop-down button. Click on Crop to see additional options. From the drop-down, select Crop to Shape. A gallery of shapes will appear, and here you want to choose the oval shape. Even though the shape is called oval, you can adjust it to make a perfect circle. After selecting the oval shape, your image will take on the shape's outline. To make it a perfect circle, go back to the Crop button and select Aspect Ratio. From the Aspect Ratio options, choose 1:1. This ensures that the width and height are equal, creating a perfect circle. Once you've applied the 1:1 ratio, you can adjust the position of the image inside the circle by clicking the Crop button again and dragging the image to center it perfectly. When you're satisfied, click anywhere outside the image or press the Crop button again to apply the changes. If needed, you can further enhance the circular image by adding a border, shadow, or other effects. To do this, use the Picture Format tab and explore options like Picture Styles or Picture Border. This can make your image stand out and match the style of your document. And that's it. You've successfully cropped your image into a circle shape in Microsoft Word. This technique works in all recent versions of Word and is a quick way to make your visuals look polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.